Insert included allows you to choose portion, 3 or 6 cups. Easy on/off switch with detachable base for easy serving. Transparent container to monitor the entire brewing process. Make fresh espresso in less than 10 minutes. Replacement filter and gasket sold separately. Search for item number SP99405 in Amazon. Can be used under USA voltage standard 120 volts. A voltage converter is needed if used in other countries. It's no wonder that espresso is the most common coffee beverage all over the world. While many simply enjoy the charge it can offer, for many, the drinking of espresso is a valued social custom with endless varieties. In addition to lattes, Americanos, and cappuccinos, the Cubans have cortaditos, the Colombians love their tinto, and of course there is the thick and unforgettable Turkish blend. Explore your favorite variety of ground espresso and make delicious homemade drinks in the comfort of your home. Top reviews from the United States. I am obsessed. If you're like me, you could live entirely off of Starbucks-sized shaken espressos. I don't have the budget for daily fancy coffee purchases or an actual espresso machine. I also don't have the patience to wait in a drive-through line or brew 2 shots with all sorts of gadgetry. Even though I don't drink hot coffee, I still like to have something on hand to brew a cup for guests. So I bought this on a whim and it has totally changed my morning routine. I actually timed it the first week of trying it out. This baby only takes 4 minutes from pressing on to give you silky smooth espresso. As long as you follow the directions, you'll get tasty results and 0 leaks every time. My guests say it's the best cup of coffee they've had from home, and that's after watering it down to fill up a regular-sized mug. The pieces are a little annoying to clean, but so far that's the only con I can think of, which is mostly just me being lazy versus a design flaw. Buying this once for $30 versus spending $5+ each trip on the way to work has saved me so much money already, plus I have my method dialed down and it's made to my liking every time. I even made a batch of brown sugar syrup to sweeten my iced concoctions. Buy it, then buy a cocktail shaker and some decent medium roast beans, and you'll be in iced espresso heaven.